and you're here just all about carpet protector, this is one of many on the market. It's the one I recommend. It's put out by a company called Stoner. They make a few products. One of them is invisible glass. This is another one I use as a spray dressing that I keep with me. Stoner Shine Spray. So I'm a big fan of their products. One of them is their fabric protector called Fabrotex. So what we've done here is we have shampooed the floor mat already with actually I demonstrated 2 cleaners. My all-purpose cleaner from Meguiar's looks like this in a gallon. Also my super degreaser, also by Meguiar's, comes in a gallon form. They're both concentrates. You dilute them down to your cleaning needs. One of the reasons this carpeting, because this car has 140,000 miles on it. That's pretty substantial. And look how clean it's able to come. Well, one of the tricks to that is the wonders of chemical engineering and fabric protectors. I'm a huge fan of these, especially on light colored carpeting. This floor mat has been shampooed and it's virtually dry. Now the directions on this say to use it on a dry materials only. To me, that's not completely a critical part of the equation. This feels virtually dry, but it's not 100% dry. And I'm going to spray this on the mat and it kind of foams up. Now one of the reasons it foams up is so that you can see where you indeed have actually laid the product. It's just that straightforward. You don't saturate it, you just want to make sure you cover all the areas. Now all I'm going to do is let it dry, because that will absorb into the fibers and creates an invisible barrier. What I do is, for example, on this floor mat, it's got these little plastic tabs that secure it to the floor. I will mop those areas up. But what it does is it creates an invisible shield. So this will absorb into all the little fibers, all the little pores of the carpeting. And if something's already there, then the dirt is limited on how much it can get in there also. Simply follow the directions on the back. I've done my best to try to help you along and demonstrating them to show you exactly how I use them. So if there's any questions, I can't take them in the moment, but you can certainly respond to my videos. I do my best to respond to all questions. Okay, so until next time, we will see you on the other side.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and